Welcome back everyone to my channel, Our Hybrid Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a spinach and potato side dish. Just one note, I want to say one of my viewers, he commented saying I need to put a hat on. So I don't know if he meant this hat. There you go, I've got the hat on. Make some comments regarding what you see. So let's get straight into it. Put in the jeera, tablespoon of jeera has gone in. I'm going to add in the tomatoes. Alright, just adding the turmeric powder, the chili. I just added the chili, salt, crushed chili and the turmeric all together. Then add a little bit of water. Give that a little stir. All the spices have gone in, the ones I've just mentioned. Just give it a little stir for 2 minutes. Just added 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Just give that one mix. Add a bit of water, just a little bit of water. Add the potatoes. There we are. Couple of minutes like this, just moisten it all up. Potatoes. Medium heat. Still on medium heat. 2 minutes like this. About 2-3 minutes like this, all in 5 minutes. There we go, the potatoes are half done. A little stir. Now we're going to be ready for the next step. That little sauce, mix that all up in there. Here comes the spinach. Cover this for 10 minutes, don't need to put anything else on. After a few minutes, take it off. As you see the spinach has reduced down. Give it all a mix so the potatoes come out from the bottom. Give it a little stir. And put the lid back on again for the remaining of the 5 to 6 minutes. Right, it's been the 5 minutes now. Take the lid off. See if all the oil has disappeared, and it's nice, and if it's nice and dry, just add half a cup of water. Keep the heat on medium to low heat now, and give that a little with the lid on for about another 2 minutes. Brilliant. Now you've seen the video, please subscribe, like and share, but do make some comments. I need some comments from you guys all there watching it. Don't fall asleep just looking at the video. Make some comments. Oh great, Manny, that was brilliant. Or no, you know what, the sound quality is no good, the video is no good. You know, I need some nice feedback, some positive feedback, some constructive feedback, so I can improve the video, and give me some recipe ideas. Tell me some recipe ideas for everyone, yeah? So I need some help from you, but make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Take care, until next time.